Mapitan ang scoring machine. Pass to jersey number Sakay, number 18, 2020. Shoot the ball. Drive. No good. Rebound by jersey number 9. Pass break to jersey number 7. Pump. Matik pang abot. Connect. Wala mo. Okay. Pass to jersey number 28. Drive. Gap. Believe violation na. Ang haba. Ibang play by jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 12. Mauricio. Drive. Foul committed by jersey number 6.
Number 6
Santos. 2 shots by jersey number 19.
Doon naman naman. Hindi pa naman.
Unang gusto.
Ang CPU.
Basa. Pangalawang pagtatangka para kay jersey number 19. Correct. Ibang play by jersey number. Pass to jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 9 out of bounds. Gentle ball. Ibang play by jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 19. Give me the ball. Pass to jersey number 7. Drive. Pass completed by jersey number 2 by number 6. Pangalawa pa. Tatlo na lang, mabay ka na. Subitin mo na, Panginoon.
Tama na yun, pangalan na lang. Dalawa lang.
Pass to jersey number 6 by number 20. Drive. Connect. Tumikipat sa ere. Bakay. Number 8, pass to jersey number 9. Drive. Foul. Tumikipat by jersey number 19.
Counted ba?
Side ball. Side ball, side ball. Pass to jersey number. Pass to number 19. Right. And pass to jersey number. Daniel. Cornelius ball. Ibang play by jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number. Bo, benta.
Magkano? 150.
Number 20. Perimeter shot. No good. Foul. Committed by jersey number 6 na naman. Bote na lang. Dalawa na lang. Graduate ka na. May meter na ito. Sulitin mo na yan. Lalo na ubos ang oras.
Hindi kasi 500.
Ibang play by jersey number 19. Drive. Steal by jersey number. Pass to jersey number 25. Kodog. Adunulis pa. Connect by jersey number 25. Kodog. Pass to jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 9. Jimmy the ball. Pass to jersey number 7. Water shot. No good. Ibang play number 9. Connect. Flowers. Mountains. Kodog. Next ganyan. Number 20. Looking for teammates. Pass to jersey number 19. Back to number 20. Looking for a teammate. Mega play. Traveling violation. Bawal dito. Check.
Hindi kasi mga pre-game sa kanila.
Ibang play by jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 9. To the ball. Straight to jersey number 7. Ang scoring machine ng Gentek. Ayan na. Humanap na. Drive the ball. Lilipat. Sakay. Number 28. Connect. Pass to jersey number 19.
1-8 na binigyan niya.
Give me the ball. Napaplak pa ka, ha? May mabalay pa rin jersey number 21. Tuloy mo lang siya. Napalit ko lang CPU sa ere. By jersey number 28. Give me the ball. Pass to jersey number 25. Nice pass to jersey number 6. Ang labit. Bago mo palabit, naka-score. Ang labit mo. Mondragon. Number 19. Pass to jersey number 9.
Sub.
Oscar Rep.
Mauna pa lang yan.
Pangalawang pagkatama para kay jersey number 9.
Akin yung maganda.
Connect kay jersey number 9. Sabi na yan.
Ano po yan?
Ibabay kay jersey number. Pass to jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 15. Nag-trick. Masad. Jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 37. Nilabas. No good. Ibabay kay jersey number 24. Good ibabay kay jersey number 11. Drive. Yun, step. Pass up. Still by the runner. Salvo ang saya. By jersey number 24.
Penalty situation yan.
Penalty situation na kaya ba?
Sino yung kaninang foul?
Unang pangkakaka.
Sino yung kaninang unang foul? Bago mag-sub?
Basa.
Ano na ano yung number niya? Okay na, pre? 23. Okay na? Shot? Oo. One shot.
Pass to jersey number 11. Here we go, Pedro. Back to number 11. Drive. Para move. Pass to jersey number 11. Connect shot by number 11. Good goal by jersey number 8. Minama ka o wala? Pinayang na lang. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 12. Perimeter shot. Connect. Piso lang. Pwede na.
Jerome pa pala, Jerome.
Jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 2. Drip. Grab the ball. Steal by jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 11. Drive. Almost was it. Previous shot by. No good by jersey number 1. Oh, sabi ko sa inyo, matapagdaan na kayo. Pinipilit niyo pa eh.
26 na lang sa base. Yung sa short na.
Iba play by jersey number. Pass to jersey number 8. Pass to number 8. Long three. Connect by jersey number 8. Uno, dos, tres. By jersey number 8. Kapit-pin. June the ball by jersey number 11. What a move. What a drive. No good. Iba play by jersey number. Kai Soto. Pass to number 8. Pass to jersey number 9.
Kulang pa 153.
Demo.
Pare Jerome.
Foul by jersey number 37.
Sa akin po rin. 150 ba? Ano ba ay, no. Eh, ano na lang kayo?
Pass to jersey number 11.
Magbubulo siya rito. Kaya nga.
Pass to jersey number 24. Drive. No good. Rebound by number 18. Ano? Rebound by number 27. Pass to number 22. Stop. Number 11. Mega play by jersey number 11. Two-number shot. No good. Palakuha. Number 22. Drive. No good. Rebound by jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 24. Looking for the pass to jersey number 14. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 11. At the tree. Pasas.
Sagla.
Hanap. Hindi pa kayo gusto mga. Number 12. Side step. By jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 14.
Blue akin, blue. Tsaka lang, na orange. Blue akin, blue. Yan yun. Ay, blue nakatiklop yun eh. Ayan ang blue.
Connect by jersey number 10.
Sana yun. Sa Gentech yung mga yun. Par, sa Gentech yung
O
mga
yung mga motor, nakaharap, di na mauwi yung mga para hintayin pa kayo. Number 24. Magur Arabas. Gentech, yung mga magagana na pangyayon na lang. Arabas. Kung ayaw nyo uli, ilagay kayo mga kaibigan.
running time yan. Ay, wala na pala.
Magaganda kami, kalat ka rin yung motor. Iba pa yung by jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 24. Perimeter shot. No good. Iba pa yung by jersey number 14. Pass to number 91. Pass to number 11. Progress. Iba by jersey number 2. Nagulap. Still by number 11. Pass to number 14. Number 11 number 14. Pass to 11 from Nick. Right jersey number 11. Pass to number 8, Kapingpin, nag-trip.
Trip.
Nag-trip. Arabas, Boleros. Pass to jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 11. Make a play by jersey number 11. Looking for Sumit.
Bad-trip! Bad-trip!
Hindi ko makita rin. Foul by jersey number 37. 5 seconds na lang tayo. 5 seconds ha. 5 seconds. Pass to jersey number 8. Nag-trip na naman si Amang. Our box. 1.8 seconds. Same ball. 1.8 ha. Same ball. Same ball. Magpapakaulit. Same ball. Tuloy mo ha. Baka.
Finish! Basket!
Official ha. 5 minutes tayo ang pagkata.
Hoy! Tali daw. Pops, kakain pa tayo? Matagal.
Inoplay by jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number. Hindi mo makita. Tommy. Sakay. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 9. Drive. Labula. Rebound by number 4. Pass to jersey number 9. Pass to number 9. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 20. Backbite na na lang ako nito eh. Kulit mo, Tommy. Ibabay by jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 9. Looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 9. Pump. Impediment foul by jersey number 26. 26 ba yun? Tommy. Negative shot by jersey number 9. Connect. Hindi pala.
Malimita tayo sa score.
Jaffers get ready. Last shot by jersey number 9. Buo pasal. Connect. By jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number. Kuya na to, wala po na. Pass to jersey number 45. Wala, nariba niya ulit. Nakasig. Jersey number 19. Drew the ball. Harassed by jersey number 19. Foul committed by jersey number 45. Tommy, the Bikers. Side ball.
Sino? Santana.
Labas, running line yan ha, labas. Pass to jersey number 4. Nag-trip. Point. Nag-trip. Ibabay by jersey number 8, pass to number 9. Kaya na to, makakapag siya. Number 28, pass to jersey number 20.
Dalawa lang. Binato yung bola.
Number 9, give the ball. Marasi by jersey number 45. Pass to jersey number 9. Drive. Corner na wala pa. Dalawa. Number 28, drive. Ginato. Hindi ba 26? Corner. And look at move. Foul. By jersey number 45. Pakita ka na 45.
Pangalawa.
Second personal foul and third team foul. Pass to jersey number 9. Back to number 19. Let's iba pa jersey number 9. Kita ka na tayo. Tama din. Iba pa rin jersey number 9. Pass to number 20. Tama na kaya na, may cheer squad Pass to jersey number 45. Drive the ball. Pass to jersey number 26. Perimeter shot. No move. Legal by number 26 again. Hala. Pass to jersey number 9. Ay! Nakina, matandaan na. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. With it, right. Huwag ka magulo. Wala pa naman ano eh.
Sir, doon. Tommy naman kami. Mamaya! Tommy, lang.
Puntas na eh.
Kaya ba? Kaya?
Ipaplay by jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 9. May 8 pala yan. Lalabo na kung number niya. Pass to jersey number 19. No good. Out of bounds. Ball and small. Ipaplay by jersey number. Pass to jersey number 28. Sakay. Dribble the ball. Looking for his teammate. Making a play by jersey number 28. Foul. Committed by jersey number 19. Tatlo yan. Number 19 foul lang. First team foul. Unang pagkabaka. Buo. Lumalaki na po ang kalamangan. Isa pa yan. Huwag kayo magulo. Isa pa yan.
Relax. Kalma lang, kalma.
Kalma.
Pedro, makakasunod ka. Gulo nyo
Last shot by jersey number 28.
Bigay ng pera, dapat kayo muna na gano'n.
Foul by jersey number 26. Pogi.
Dapat tinigay mo kayong guy. Nag-ano nga yung bulami. Hindi na walang ginagawa siya. Hindi kasi may mga pera, nakabot agad dapat tinawaran mo.
Okay na to. Hindi pa nang
Number 19.
Kaya nag-start na agad eh.
Jared. Connect. Progress by jersey number 9. Hindi na. By jersey number 25. Take. No good. Foul. Sayang. Sayang din. 5 minutes. 5 minutes rules. Palit mo ba?
Ay, nandiyan pa na yung ano yun.
Pass to jersey number 19. Up and three. No good. Lima play by jersey number 37. Pass to number 19. At tingnan na. Good. Ayan. Konti na lang. Ilaw na naman tayo ah. 5K yan. Oo. Siyempre. Lima play by jersey number 9. Crossover by jersey number. Ano na pagkon? Kasa. Pencil. By jersey number 23.
Bola. Rarin tayo. Defensive.
23 na. Number 23. Ito play by jersey number 7. Pass to Pax. Number 1. Give the ball. Pass to Paisoro. Pass to jersey number 8. Make it a play. Ginag na. Ang laki Number 11.
Yeah, penalty.
90. Penalty situation na tayo ha.
Okay. Maganda talaga.
Kai Soto.
Kasi
Kai Soto hinaw yan. PCLC. Ibang right jersey number 20. Out of bounds. Jenny Cole.
ang kagaya ng sinulat ko na yung shoot. Kaya
Ibang right jersey number 18.
talaga pag
Pass to number 8. Kapit. Crossing by jersey number 11. Oh, receive by jersey number. Pass to jersey number 11. By jersey number 11. Scoring pa siya ng kabila. Pass to jersey number 7. Crossing by jersey number 11. Ang exclusive. Pass to jersey number 8. The 3. Ayun, tapos ang laban. Wala.
yeah, kamusta lang susunod ka?
12 seconds to shoot ha. 12 seconds shot pa po tayo ha.
Handball.
Yes, handball. Yes,
Handball eh.
ball possession.
Ano na?
Ball possession.
Ipo-play by jersey number 8.
Excellent susunod ka.
12 seconds to shoot. No good. Ipo-play by jersey number 24. Give it the ball. Pass to jersey number 90. Pass to jersey number 11. 20-meter shot. Connect by jersey number 11. Jersey number 37. Drive. No good. Right leg to jersey number 8. Walang tawag tulong niyo. Jump. No good. Rebound play. Jersey number 7. Drive. Almost move it. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 11. Drive by jersey number 24. Ang laki mo. Kuya na ako yan. 24 connect ha. Laking cherry pepper na natin. Number 8. Number 8.
Excellent susunod.
Na 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Receive by jersey number 40. Pass to jersey number 24. Drive. Perimeter shot. No good. Ibang back by Soto. Binabangay. Box. Out of bounds. Hindi na rin box. 4 minutes. Last 2 minutes na mo kayo ha. 1 minute and 59 seconds. Iba-play by jersey number 90. Pass to jersey number 11. Harassing by jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 90. Pass to body block by Kaisoro. Drive. Kaisoro ibang mo na. Number 18.
5 points dapat yun.
1 minute and 30 seconds. 15 seconds na lang. At the 3, connect. 1, 2, 3, by jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 6, by jersey number 40. Pass to jersey number 24. Drive. One move by jersey number 24. Connect. Iba-play by jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 7. Harassing by jersey number 40. Pass to jersey number 8. Pass to Kaisoro. Sila ka na. Connect, connect. Continuous ba? Basket, eh. Basket. Continuation po yun.
Personal foul.
I love you, Kasuto!
Third personal foul lang po yun. eh.
Soto, hindi na baka maglaro.
Bonus shot by jersey number 18. Kaisoro. Connect by Momo. Si Kaya Momo yan. Kaya Momo.
Kasuto!
50 seconds ang nalalagay. Make it play by jersey number 11. Harassing by jersey number 7. Pass to number 24. Pump. No good. Not enough practice. Pass to Kaisoro.
Kanya.
Last to number 8. Foul. Foul. Tinagak.
Huwag na rin yun.
Third, personal foul. Penalty na po tayo, penalty.
Alam mo.
Huwag mo dito yung gamit.
Panic, ay jersey number 7. Makina. No, by jersey number 8. Number 7 pa. Penalty shot. Taylor. No good. Penalty, pass to number 11. The three. No good. 15 seconds. Number 8. Pass to jersey. Uy. Eight seconds violation.
Sabo ko dyan, sabo.
7 seconds na lang po ang nalalabing.
Stop.
Iwag na by jersey number 11. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 4. No good. Kunin mo na. Tumalo.
Award. Ito na lang.
Andun ka agad, nung kagulo kuya mo. Laging ganun ginagawa ng kuya mo eh.
Alam na natin.
Alam na natin yan.
Tommy, okay ka na ba?
Kasi inawat na to eh. Ikaw, di mo inawat. Panoy? Hinintay ko kung mag-upload. Siya naman talaga. Siya naman talaga taga-awat eh. Kahit yun.
Ito, North pa ako
Saksak, palo na gano'n. Sabi niya. Hindi, malalaman yun sa video.
Hindi mo lang yung video.
Ba't hindi na post to? Uy, hindi na post.
Ano natin? Sa kaya na yan. Sige ba?
Tigas kasi. Ito dapat lagyan ng
Video
ito.
Hindi nga pinakaano sa
Hindi pala, miss, maganda ganyan eh.
Ayun, ganyan nga dapat yun eh. Ba't nakatungo?
White ball. Kanina, white ball. White ball lang. Ipo-play by jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 25. Back to jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 25. Pass to jersey number 6. Pump. Nawala ang bola. 3 seconds. Violation.
Hindi mo padala. Bobong ela yun.
Number 11. Para sa by jersey number 25. Mega play by jersey number 19. Flores. No good. Mega play by jersey number 8. Pass to number 25. Bata-bata lang. Ano? Ayun na. Inabot na. Ayan. Number 8. Join. Comment. If you're going to go, ano? May ano? Sabi ko, inugay ka bago pang araw eh. Number 28. Pass to jersey. Number 15. Grabe na yung boy. Awan din yan.
Sayang!
Sobrang na ito na pwede ito eh.
Ito pa lang eh.
Iba kayo by jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 19. Marwinson. Pass to jersey number 9. Pump. Nawala ang bola. Jersey number 28. Patay sa kapitan. By jersey number 28. Connect. Si Boy Rantan. Jersey number 8. Still by jersey number 8. Lumipad. Nagising na ito. Number 28. Sakay. Next season, tanggal ka na. Wala ka na naman masyado. Nawala na ang bola. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 6. Dahil pagkakita na sa dyan, uwas na po.
Time out, Gentek. Time out. Pumasok pa rin dalawang maganda eh.
Pass to jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 19. Back to jersey number 22. No good. By number 28. Void.
Ay, mga time.
Connect technical error.
Time out, time out.
Technical.
Time out.
Time out.
Pasok yun.
Pass to jersey number 2. Up the tree. No good. Rebound by jersey number 28. Mr. Hotline. Oh, pass to jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 8. Drive. Kaya pa. Kaso, kaya. Pass to jersey number 9. Foul. Pabili by jersey number 28. Mamapush na sa amin.
Nandiyan yung inspiration eh, ayun o. Si Marvin the Slasher.
Pasok mo ha! Sino ba yan?
Tama ka na.
Unang pagkatangka. Pasag.
Saan tubig yan?
Pasok ko isa!
Last shot by jersey number 19. Even by jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 28. Harassing by jersey number 19. Screen by number 15. Shoot the ball. Offensive foul. Dapat kasi ito tanda ka na rin eh. Pinagamitan naman ng tanda eh.
Hoy, walang paliwanag yan!
May regalo pa yan.
Nag-explain mo eh.
Number 15. Drive. Floaters. By number 98. Pass to number 20. Number 29. No good. Number 28. Mr. Hardline. Inaknak mo na yung sila mo. Naiyak ka pa.
Ganda naman no?
Mr. Hardline ng Buleros Sakay. Ang layo na ng lamang. Up the tree. No good. By number 8. Tinulak. Ba't sa mukha mo inawit? Pass to jersey number 28. Make a play by jersey number 19. Screen by jersey number 19. Hope is good.
7-second shot lock.
Foul to Ezra. Foul committed by jersey number.
Number 6.
Number 2. Pontividia. Si Mr. Rick Ross. 2 shot by jersey number 28. Floji ba si Floji ng Bulacan. Connect.
Tanya.
Last shot by jersey number 28. No good. Rebound by jersey number 9. Huwag mo kaldakan yung maganda na siya na mo. Sinapakpal mo. Sige. Number 28. Injury time out na. Kaya? Panggali ba ka? Tumugo. Oh, injury time out tayo ha.
Time out committee, time out committee.
Time out committee tayo. Nasunod.
Yeah, palit lima yan.
Palit 5 tayo ha. Palit 5 ha. Pero meron mo kaya. Nasunod.
Palitan nyo no?
Siya. May siya tayo. Gamitin yung tubig sa siya. Siya.
Pumutok. Pumutok yung uso.
Yelo na lang, yelo. Iluwan. Iluwan lang yan. Iluwan yan. Iluwan lang yan.
Lagyan niyo yan.
Sabi niya, di ba pupunta?
Hindi sinasadya yung
Kaya ni Jerome repair yan.
Palit lang sa kanya yan bukas.
Bola.
Palitan nyo, palitan.
Palitin muna natin ha.
Oh, para matapos na. Oh, 5 minutes sub na. 5 minutes sub.
5 minutes. 5 minutes tayo ha.
5 minutes na, 5 minutes na.
Ayan, pang-assist na lang.
Two shot yan, two shot. Ay, two shot. Two shot, yung kanila.
Paul yata. Paul yata yung sakay.
Labas muna yung isa.
Sino yung foul niya? Sino yung foul kanina? Number 6.
Yeah, pasok, isa.
Isa.
Pasok isa, yeah.
Number 6 daw eh. Sa kanila,
Pasok, pasok.
pumasok na pumasok.
Sino warning?
Connect. Last shot. 5 years na na.
Wala, dead ball, dead ball.
Foul. 5 years na na.
Warning, sino warning?
23.
Sino warning?
Sa kanila na. Isa sa.
Hoy, sino warning? Hoy, si Rod, warning na.
Number 23, warning din na rin. Tapos sila, wow, wow, siya. Uy, huwag ka matitira. Ano ba yun? Kala ko tira rin. Pastor jersey number 26, Pusa. Pwede. Bye, Pusa. Tumagal pa si Pusa.
Pusa pala yun.
Kung may puro tayo, may Pusa tayo.
Edgar!
Jersey number 4. 1. Strike. Madulas. Bilangan niyo muna. Madulas. Ganyan, bilangan niyo. Si Tommy, yan na. Okay ka na, Tommy. Number 11. Negative break by jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 24. Traveling violation na by jersey number 24. Check. Side door line. Pass to jersey number 8. Harassing by jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 18. Bad trip.
Bad trip.
Number 11. Right na lang ka. Kala mo ha. Arabas. Jeffrey Ford. Iba play by jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 7. Up the tree. No good. Iba play jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 26. Pusa. Number 11. Crossover. Slide to center. Pass to number 20. Connect by jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 7. Arabas. Ilang bumilaw. Boleh boleh.
Thank you. Utang nila. Number 45, drive, connect, quick shot, Pang 90s yun, gagi. 70s pala.
Pass to President Baby, ay Soto, ang laki mo, connect, foul by jersey number 24. Second jersey number 4. Bonus shot by jersey number 18.
Sabi ko, wag sa yuno.
Connect.
Ano? Okay na siya? Okay na siya? Hindi pa rin?
Pass to jersey number 11. Harassing by jersey number 11. Almost number 11, pass to number 12. Rebound by jersey number 18. Foul.
24.
24.
Number 24.
Sino offensive?
24. Sino ba?
18. 18. 18.
18 pala. 18.
Eh, si Paul.
Graduate.
Brad! First personal foul pa lang. Shot! Hero Fighters number 19. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 7. Brad!
Ang lakas ng echo. Piningin yan. Diba may hinahan echo yan? Hindi yung speaker yan.
Same ball, ha?
Hindi, kanina gumawa.
Pass to jersey number 18. Carl Soro. No good. Rebound by jersey number 21. Dalawa na yun eh. Number 26. Pass to jersey number 20. Looking for a student. Steve by jersey number 7. But layup by jersey number 7.
May pugo to, kay pugo.
Boleros.
Kay pugo. Muwi na yata yung kapatid mo.
Goes to the moves. We see by jersey number 1. Foul by jersey number 24. In the ball game. 24.
Penalty.
Penalty na ba yan? Third personal foul by jersey number 24. Una na siya.
Personal na pala na ginawa mo.
Pangalawang pagkakala. Iba by jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 11. Lima ka na. Mula sa jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 26. Maldo. Araw sa ito.
Nasa lang pala.
Check-in mo na sa ito. Ayan ba? Bolero na.
Lakas ng echo eh, no?
Pass to jersey number 26. Warning. Jersey number 21 for the game.
Number? 21.
Warning.
Take ball. Take ball.
Sila.
Pass to jersey number 45. Jersey number 11. Goes on moves by jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number. Same ball again. 7 shot clock and 15 seconds na mga 15.6 seconds na mga. Pass to jersey number 45. Drive. Still by jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 1. Connect. 4, 3, 2, 1, and...
Boss, muntik na sa mukha.
Number 20, pass to jersey number 18.
Edgar, upo.
Number 11. Connect. Ayan, kahit sino na ipasok nyo, pwede na yan, ha? Break the rules na kaya. Pass to number 11. Make it a play by jersey number 11. Pass to number 45. Pass to number 11. What pass? No good. Still by jersey number 11. Nagmamadali. Pass to jersey number 7. Pinahaba. Connect. Nagulit yung kasama. Number 4. Connect. Number 28. Buwan kasi trouble violation by number 24. Pass to jersey number 19. Beritahu kay jersey number 9. Ang tawag mo. Foul by jersey number 28. Tinaga. Ito po yung jersey number 1.
Ayaw na.
Pass to jersey number
Ay,
18. Pass to jersey
Amo
number
pala.
Torres, still by jersey number. Para by jersey number 11. Para uses the ball by jersey number 5.
Isa ba? Ito, dito ka.
Diyan ka na. Anak mo.
Dead ball, pag dead ball.
Tempo kaya. No good. Steve jersey number 28. Good.
Ayan, sub.
Jersey number 7. Sub na yung mga sasab.
Sub.
Sub na ha. Foul by jersey number. Sino yung foul?
Number 7.
Number 7. Connect para kay jersey number 28. Sakay, ay liit ka nga sakay. Connect by jersey number 28. Sakay. Iba po by jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 9. Back to number 9. Pop! Pasa ka yun. By jersey number 8. Lilipas. Kakainin ko na kayo sa lahat na.
Kinain!
Kinakaya si Sky Soto na ako na. Foul. Kumili tayo jersey number 6. Congratulations sir. Ikaw ang kawalan ng graduate.
Congratulations!
Jersey na puno na yung ka. Para ko na.
100 grade
May vlog na lang kayo.
Bon! Bon! Sab na.
Pasok na natin mag-graduate. Pasok na agad.
Raymond! 200
Last
na!
shot by jersey number 7. Get ready Peppers.
200!
Connect. Number 7.
Raymond, 200! Graduate ka na eh!
Number 8, Jimmy Lebron. May play using the clock. 10 seconds on up. Pass to number 28, 8 seconds on up. 29. Ang lapit ko, labas ang ball pa na.
Kaya yan, MVP na naman yun.
Number 11. Pass to jersey number 9. Pump. Oh. No good. Pass. Number 40. Pass to jersey number 45. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 11. Make a play by jersey number 11. Losing the ground. 10 seconds on up.
Oh, yung boleros eh.
Jordan. No good. Winner by jersey number 40. Pass to number 45. No good again. Big rebound. No good. Step up. Shot. No good.
Rob, lipat ka kaya, Rob. Lipat ka, Rob. Kahit kay ni Edgar. Putang ina, sasatehin ka. Kung kinigin ng echo yun.
Number 20.
Bakit?
Ayan, gumagamit na sila ng oras.
Turntado. Pwede naman yung ano yun.
10 seconds yata. At the tree. No good. Big winner by jersey number 9. Dito. By jersey number 19. Steve. By jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 11. Leaping libre. No good. River by jersey number 14. Big rebound by jersey number 18. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 7. Connect. Kaya ka yan. Bilisan nyo lang. Number 28.
Bakas ng boleros ha. Kung baka nila Jedrick.
May play by jersey number 28. 10 seconds yata.
Pamalas lang.
River by jersey number 15. Out of bounds. Illegal. Timeout. Boleros. 40. Jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 18. Penny pressure. No good.
Laro po!
Pass to jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 11. Make a play by jersey number 11. Losing the job. Cross the ropes. Pass to jersey number 26. Connect by jersey number 26. Tusa. Number 8. Pass to jersey
personal foul. Traffic. Third.
Bonus shot na natin ha, bonus shot.
Pawis na to. Uy, pawis na. Pawis na.
Good.
Alam mo,
Give up by jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 11.
ni Anyon. Gusto rin ni Anyon. Mogo-mogo.
Using the shot by jersey number 11. Pass to Rose. Pass to jersey number 24. Ang ganda ng pass. Luwag sa camera natin yan. Connect by jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 80.
Si Marvin, patay na ba tayo?
Pass to jersey number 80. Ang laki nun. Give up by jersey number 10. Pass to number 11. Right by jersey number 11. One. Traveling violation. Sabi na natin ni referee. Pass to jersey number 18. Foul committed by jersey number 26.
Sab.
Warning ka na po niya.
Sabihan mo, lalapit sila dito.
Shot. Pass to jersey number 16 by jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 8. Wala pass. Kaso sa bulan. Out of bounds. Boles. Sayang. Kahit pa lang. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Pass to jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 11. Still by jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 19. Lois. Correct. Kaya pa yan. 2 minutes and 50 seconds na lang po ang nalating oras. Pass to jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 24. Drive. No. Number 22. Drive. Ibang by jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 11.
Pinababayaan nila eh.
By jersey number 11. Wala pass. Kaso, grabe din eh. Sayang. Sa back na na. Time out. Jeffrey. Kinakapos.
Dapat nanahimik kayo.
Pass to jersey number 8. Uy, ang dami nyo. Ang dami nyo. Technical kayo ha. Ayan, may kaitang battery sa akin. Technical kayo ha. Hindi naman kasi sino papasok eh.
Di sila nag-uusap-usap eh.
Ang gugulit. Pasok na naman. Uy, pasok kasi ako. Ganyan niya. Edward, pasok na Edward. Parang yung fighters na pwede pasok na ko. Bigay pa na dyan sa kapag pwede pa.
Mabiling.
Sabi ng manager, fighters na pwede pa. Ayan na. Abang sinusubukan ni Gamay. Sinusubukan ni Gamay. Nakakapagod na.
Mamaya na.
Dito ang jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 9. Pass to number 8. Pass to jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 24. Break.
Di ba dead ball?
Dead ball na yan. Hintayin mo sa number 24. Pass to jersey number 11. Halo. Tandaan. Jersey number. Pass to jersey number 11. One move. Pass. Open number. Foul. By jersey number 11. Time out. Boles.
Mahal na timeout ba?
Saan na yung mga magsabo? Yamang, may garpo ka pala kay Yamang ha. Mas doon ni Yamang.
Penalty.
Penalty na tayo, penalty.
Ano natalo pa sila?
Hindi anong lamang. Parang score mo sa kabila yan.
Wala pa nga isang natabagan na ano eh.
Si ano, si...
May ito siya, mga Paul Di Pilla. Connect. Last shot by jersey number 2. Kung magpaparequest ka, ibigay mo na. Ang Paul Di Pilla.
Nakakapatay yata ng unit eh.
Bigay mo by jersey number 27. Pop and pop. Bigay mo number 2. Bigay. Sada. Pop by jersey number 19.
Warning.
Warning for Broadway versus number 90. Army. Ano, masakit, boy? Connect by jersey number 2. Point to Linda. It will be by jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 90. 55 seconds. See, number 2. Ano ba, Paul? By jersey number 37.
Next game. Third.
Sidewalk, sidewalk. Pass to jersey number 36. Pass to number 8. Ayan kasi no. Connect. Uno. Dos. By jersey number 9.
Ganit ang box eh.
4 seconds. Pontilia. Goes on the moves. Connect by Pontilia. Edward, bawal din, Edward. Bawal dyan. Number 26. Pass to jersey number. Apinas. Connect. Number 26. Naiya siya mo.
Naiya pa si Mel eh, no?
Arabos. Mabigyan na kayo lang yan, ha? Ewan po yung jersey number 90. Pass to number 11. Bigyan din na kayo mo. Kaya mo. Ma'am, pagkat mo.
Next.
Number 7. 5 seconds. Idapak mo na din. Connect. Tapos na po ang ating Congrats, Boderos. Skill.